Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Venmo to send money. I'm truly sorry, first of all, I'm not going to show you through or inside the Venmo application. We're just going to go through some articles because I can't log in into an account at the moment because I'm outside US. So first of all, as example, I'm just going to do this and we're going through a simple article on how to do it. So, how to send money on Venmo in 7 easy steps. So, how to send money, of course, step by step. So, can you use, of course, Venmo money to pay someone? Surely yes. How long does it take? Funds sent from Venmo should immediately appear in the recipient's account. So, if it didn't appear immediately, there might be a problem. You'll need to contact either the support or maybe you have entered wrong info. Of course, send money overseas with the word most international account. You'll be able to do that with Wise as an example because this article is supported by Wise, so they will promote themselves as well. And of course, here you can see the trade or markets like rates. So, as an example, if you're trying to send US dollars to someone that has pound, you will be able to see, as an example, you send exactly how much they will receive, like an example, how much, as an example, in Wise, in PayPal, and etc. So, basically, those are the steps to send money via Venmo. You'll just have to have an account, of course, first of all, and simply enter the recipient an example did tell you here exactly. So open the app, select the payments icon located at the top right corner, choose the recipients for fund from your Venmo contacts, or add a recipient to the list. You can add someone to the list using their phone number, email address, Venmo username, and it's also possible to scan the QR code from another Venmo user. Input the amount that you want to send, add the notes with the payment. It's okay to send emojis too, and check that you've sent in the money in your Venmo from the desired account and submit by tap and pay button. Confirm your payment, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.